How to add Calendly to GoDaddy. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step all you need to do in order to embed Calendly to your GoDaddy website. So first, just go and open up your GoDaddy website and click on Edit Website from down here, or just go to the website editor basically. From the website editor, we basically want to add the Calendly embed option in here. So it's going to actually be very easy and simple to do. The only thing for you that you actually need to do here is locating a specific place where you actually want to add that section. So in my case, I'm just going to have it right down here. So in between this and this, I'm just going to have it right here. So in this case, what we need to do is just go ahead and click on Add Section. And then once you click on Add Section, you basically want to go to the Files and Web option here from the sections options. So click on Files and Web. And once you find this, there are going to be three different options: Files, HTML, and also PDF Viewer. We don't want Files or PDF Viewer, we want HTML. So just go and click on HTML and add this one right here, which is Embed Custom Code on the page. So once you do this, this should be visible to you like so. Code will render here, and we have the custom code option in here. Now, in this case, we don't have the code yet, so we want to go on over to Calendly. So just go ahead and open up a new browser tab and just go to calendly.com. Now, once you are in calendly.com, all you need to do is just go ahead and create a new event type that you actually want to add to GoDaddy. So just go ahead and click on Create on the top left and click on Event Type. From here, I'm just going to do one-on-one, but it also can work with the others if you have the proper plan for them. I'm just going to go for one-on-one. You can feel free to customize it to your liking, add the event name. So I'm just going to name it Test Duration, and all of these things that are needed in here. For example, Google Meet is going to be the location and so on. And we can just go in and click on Continue. Once we do that, there are going to be more setting up options here. As you can see, I'm not going to dive deep into how to set up an event in Calendly because this is not really the the topic here. So all you need to do is, once you're actually done with this, you just want to click on Done on the top left, and you should find yourself with your event. Now in here, you just want to click on Share from the actual event, so you can obviously see all the events that you have. Click on Share. And once you do that, you basically want to head on over to Add to Website option, and you want to click on Inline Embed. Click on that and click on Continue. Once you do that, you basically want to copy the code, which is this one right here. So just click on Copy Code, and it's just going to copy it for you. Now, if we just go back to GoDaddy website and we click on our section that we just added, which is the HTML section, and paste in the code right over here, and click on Done. And we should have our Calendly event section on our GoDaddy. So this is all for this video. You can preview it. You can feel free to test it out for yourself. And this is it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful, and thanks for watching.